Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. In this video, we are diving into 20 amazing tools that can completely transform how you work and create. From smart time savers to powerful game changers, these tools are designed to impress, inspire, and seriously upgrade your workflow. Log Wizard Debarker. The Log Wizard turns your chainsaw into a powerful debarking and log shaping tool. Ideal for peeling, notching, and log prep, it helps protect saw blades and streamline milling work. Compatible sprockets and optional accessories make setup simple and flexible. Expansion Tool Head. Designed for smooth, reliable PEX connections, this expansion head delivers even expansion and fast sealing. Its interlocking design prevents flat spots and performs consistently, even in cold conditions. Pruning Saw. This battery-powered pruning saw delivers clean, effortless cuts with a premium blade and secure grip for safe handling. Tool-free blade changes keep work moving, and an optional extension makes higher branches easy to reach. Eastwood Tubing Notcher. The Eastwood Tubing Notcher delivers clean, precise notches with solid steel construction built to last. Easy angle adjustment, standard hole saw compatibility, and drill-powered operation make it ideal for everything from custom frames to exhaust fabrication. Conduit Benders. This 1/2-inch iron conduit bender delivers fast, accurate bends with durable, ductile iron construction and Klein's angle setter technology. Clear markings and a stable foot pedal ensure consistent, controlled results on every bend. RoofSnake. RoofSnake is a tough, steel roofing tool that protects your fingers, saves effort, and makes shingle repairs clean and precise. Designed for easy nail placement and removal, it delivers reliable performance with less strain and no damage to surrounding shingles. Stak Rack. Stak Rack transforms door and trim painting with a smart, stackable design that saves time, space, and effort. Durable and easy to use, it lets you paint more, handle less, and keep your workspace clean and organized. Air Spray Gun. Built for smooth, consistent base coat application, this air spray gun offers precise control with a wide spray pattern and large paint capacity. Multiple nozzle options and included international connectors ensure versatility and reliable performance across a range of painting jobs. Braking Grinder. Built for tough jobs, this braking grinder delivers powerful performance with enhanced safety and control. Dual triggers, retract stopping, and kickback protection ensure confident, precise grinding and cutting. Flashline 3. Flashline 3 delivers precision cutting with interchangeable titanium wheels that handle porcelain, ceramic, and glass effortlessly. Its patented non-slip design and extendable rail system ensure clean finishes, total control, and true Italian-made performance. Heat Gun. Designed for versatility and control, this 2,000-watt heat gun delivers fast heat up with adjustable temperature and airflow for precision work. A rotating control dial and long power cable ensure comfort, accuracy, and consistent performance across demanding tasks. Stud Welding. Capacitor discharge stud welding delivers fast, precise welds with minimal heat impact. This demonstration showcases the equipment, common CD, studs, and pins, and proper techniques that lead to clean, reliable installations in seconds. Steam cleaner. Powered by superheated 350-degree steam, this steam cleaner delivers deep, chemical-free cleaning with adjustable temperature control. Reliable performance meets everyday convenience on standard household power. Gas grabber. Gas grabber makes moving heavy gas cylinders safer and easier with a compact, lightweight design that grips tanks securely. Padded dual handles and 8-point contact provide control, comfort, and back-saving leverage when handling larger cylinders. Pipe nipple extractor and thread remover. Built for durability and ease of use, this pipe nipple extractor and thread remover delivers reliable performance on tough jobs. Its ergonomic grip improves control in tight spaces, while versatile sizing makes it ideal for both professional repairs and DIY installations. Drill winch. This lightweight, portable drill winch delivers up to 750 pounds single-line pulling power using a standard handheld drill. With a free spool clutch, integrated fair lead, and included rope and hooks, it offers fast setup and dependable pulling wherever you need it. DoorJack. The DoorJack is a multifunctional lifting tool that lets one person transport, hang, and precisely adjust heavy doors with ease. Using smart leverage, it handles up to 150 kilograms while reducing strain and speeding up installation. Buck Arch. The Buck Arch from Logrite is a heavy-duty log handling solution built for serious capacity and control. Easy to use by hand or toe, it lifts and suspends large logs smoothly, making transport around yards or sawmills safer and more efficient. Motoflashline. Motoflashline brings motorized precision to the proven flashline system, combining lightweight portability with professional cutting power. With increased cutting height, redesigned stability, dust-free operation, and a diamond blade head, it delivers clean, accurate cuts without suction cups or compromise. FATMAX Multi-Material Saw. The Stanley FATMAX Multi-Material Saw delivers clean, accurate cuts across wood and metal with a powerful 650-watt motor. Featuring a cut-line laser, quick depth adjustment, enhanced safety controls, and integrated dust extraction, it is built for precision, durability, and everyday performance. That brings us to the end of today's list. We hope these tools opened your eyes to new possibilities and gave you a few ideas to try out for yourself.